This video is about the song O Bayan Ko, composed by Ryan Cayabyab. So I found this video online on Facebook while I am scrolling, and I think the lyrics is very nice. So for this video, I'll try to make an English translation. It's not 100% correct, but just how the way I understand it somehow. So hopefully this can help you. O Bayan Ko is a historic piece of music composed by national artist Maestro Ryan Cayabyab. It was originally commissioned for the centennial of the Philippine Republic. The lyrics and melody evoke a sense of patriotism and love for the Philippines, celebrating its natural beauty, unique talents, and most importantly, its independence. The title translates to "O My Country" in English. O bayan ko, kailan ka mamumulat? O my country, when will you be able to be awake or to realize? Bayan is country, homeland, or nation. Kailan is when. And then the root word for mamumulat, mulat means awake or able to distinguish or able to know. Mamumulat. Ang totoo'y nakikita na pumipikit ka pa. Kailan pa? So it means the truth is that you were seen closing your eyes until when or since when. So when we say totoo, that means truth. Nakikita, the root word here is kita, means seen. Pumipikit, the root word is pikit. It means close your eyes. Pumipikit. And kailan, it means when. Kapag wala ka nang magagawa. Kapag is when. Wala is no or none or nothing. Ka is you. Gawa is do. So when can you no longer do something? Kapag wala ka nang ibubuga. So kapag is when or if, wala is none or nothing, and then ibubuga is to do. So, when you can no longer do anything, kapag wala ka nang ibubuga. O bayan ko, kailan ka matututo? My country, when will you learn? So when we say kailan, that's when, and then matuto, when we say tuto, matuto, that means learn. So when will you learn? Kung ikaw ang kalaban mo, ikaw rin ang susuko, ngunit kailan? So if you are your enemy, it's also you who will give up. But when? So when we say ikaw, that's you, kalaban is enemy, and then suko, that means to give up. Kapag wala ka nang magagawa, when you can no longer do something, kapag wala ka nang ibubuga, when you can no longer do anything. O bayan ko, kailan ka tatayo? My country, when will you stand? When will you fight? Or when will you rise? When we say tayo, it means to stand, but it can kind of like mean here, when will you fight or when will you rise? Less of maybe when will you fight, I guess. It's more of my country, when will you stand or when will you rise? Kay rami ng dugong inalay sa'yo, a lot of blood was offered or shed for you. When we say rami, marami, that means many. When we say dugo, that's blood, and alay means to offer. Sa iyo, sa'yo, that means for you. So a lot of blood was offered or shed for you, kay rami ng dugong inalay sa'yo. O bayan ko, ang oras ay malapit nang maubos. My country, my homeland, or my hometown, or my nation, the time is almost up, the time is almost over, the time is almost done. Oras, that means time. Malapit is almost near the end. Not the end, but near, malapit. Nang maubos, when you say ubos, that's used, almost used. My country, the time is almost up, the time is almost done, or the time is almost used or over. O bayan ko, ang oras ay malapit nang maubos. Bangon na o bangon, bayan ko. Rise up, that means bangon. or stand up my country. Bangon na o bangon bayan ko. Kailan pa kapag wala ka nang magagawa? Until when? When you can no longer do something? Kapag wala ka nang ibubuga? When you can no longer do anything? O bayan ko, kailan ka tatayo? My country, when will you stand or when will you rise? Kay rami ng dugong inalay, a lot of blood was offered or shed for you. O bayan ko, ang oras ay malapit nang maubos. My country, the time is almost up or almost over. Bangon na o bangon na, bayan ko. Rise up, stand, already my country. Kung magkasama-sama, tinig na sabay-sabay, if we are united, one voice all together, kung is if, magkasama-sama means united, tinig, that's voice, sabay-sabay is all together. So kung magkasama-sama, tinig na sabay-sabay, if we are united, one voice all together, susulong ka, sugod na. You will move forward, go for it, or you start. Sulong means to move forward, to improve in a way, and then sugod na means to go for it, or you start, or you fight. O bayan ko, kailan ka tatayo? My country, when will you stand or when will you rise? Kay rami ng dugo, inalay sa'yo, so a lot of blood was offered or shed for you. O bayan ko, ang oras ay malapit nang maubos, my country or my hometown or my nation, the time is almost up or the time is almost over. Bayan ko, my country or my hometown or my nation or my homeland. And this one here is a part of the Philippine national anthem, Bayang Magiliw, Perlas ng Silanganan, loving country, the pearl of the Orient. Alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, the flame of the heart in your heart is alive. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting. Chosen land, you are the cradle of the brave. Sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil. By the invaders, you won't allow yourself to be oppressed. Sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. The seas and mountains, the breeze and your azure skies. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. The poem is splendid, also is the song of the freedom that you adore. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. The sparkle in your flag is shining triumphantly. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. And its star and sun will never grow dim. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng luwalhatit pagsinta, land of the sun of glory and passion. Lupa ng araw ng luwalhatit pagsinta. Buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Life is heaven in your arms. Buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mang-aapi, our joy when someone comes to oppress you. Aming ligaya na pag may mang-aapi. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo is to die because of you. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. And that is all about the song O Bayan Ko by Ryan Cayabyab. Once again, disclaimer, My English translation is not perfect. It's based on how I understand it. Maraming salamat and thank you for watching this video.